Assalamu alaikum. My dear students of class 4, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also alhamdulillah fine. My dear students, our today's topic is the footprint, which is taken from your buzzword book. Now let's get started with me. The footprint. Robinson Crusoe lived all alone on an island in the middle of the ocean. Then suddenly one day he found a friend on the island. At the age of 18, Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage. He traveled to many countries. His ship was wrecked during on such a voyage and he was thrown on an empty island. He lived on this island for about 28 years. He managed to build a house for himself, grow some crops, and also raise animals. His life on the island was full of adventure. 11 years had gone by. My dog was quite old now, and the cats had produced quite a large family. The parrot had learned to speak well. I also had a herd of goats to take care of. Though I had never milked a cow and certainly not a goat, I managed to learn. After much trial and error, I learned how to make butter and cheese. I had a lot of fruits in my garden. I was also growing enough grain and making my own bread. I lived like a king in my castle with my family, but I still longed for human friends. Sometimes I dreamed that I had gone back to London and was walking down the street in my goatskin clothes. What a funny sight I would be! I looked like a wild man with a long beard. On my head was a big cap made of goatskin. It was very tall and without shape. I wore short, strange things on my feet which I called buskins. I wore a broad belt around my waist and had another hanging over my shoulder. Above my head I carried my great, clumsy, ugly umbrella, and my skin had been burnt brown by the sun. Whenever the weather was fine, I went over to the other side of the island to look at my canoe. I had built a canoe. I wanted to leave the island and go to the land I had seen at a distance. I thought there were human beings on the island. One morning, as I was going to the canoe, a strange thing happened. I had taken a few steps when I stopped dead. There in front of me was a human footprint. Heel, toes, every part of a footprint much larger than mine. I stood like one who had seen a ghost. I looked around and listened. I went to the top of the little hill to look further. Then I walked up and down the shore. I saw no other prints. I came back to look once more at what I had seen. Was I dreaming? I looked at the footprint closely again. Yes, there in the sand was the print of a man's foot. I was not dreaming. How did it come to be there? Who was he? How did he get there? I was so frightened. I was so frightened that I did not go to the canoe. I turned and went back to my castle as fast as I could. As I walked, I kept looking behind me because I imagined that every bush and tree was a man. I shut myself up as quickly as I could and began to get ready to protect myself from the strange man. That night I could not sleep. I lay in my hammock and thought. This stranger had come perhaps from the land that I had seen far across the sea. Perhaps he had come to the island alone. Perhaps he had come with many others of his kind. But where was he now? I was so afraid that I did not step out of my castle for 3 days and nights till there was no food left. Then I had to go out in search of food. I crept softly down my fields. Every sound made me start and look around. I lived for days like someone who was afraid of his own shadow. Daniel Defoe. He is the writer of this story. Here is some word and word meaning. Hammock. Hammock, a type of bed made from cloth, net or some other strong material, with ropes at each end that are used to hang it between two trees or posts. Crept, moved silently, made me start, suddenly shocked me. Here is a summary of Daniel Defoe. Daniel Defoe was born in 1660 and died 1731. Was an English writer and journalist. His best known works are Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, and Rosanna. He wrote them as novels and created his stories and characters around real life events and people. Robinson Crusoe was based on Alexander Selkirk, a Scotsman who was shipwrecked and spent 4 years alone on the island of Juan Fernandez. My dear students, from this above discussion, we have known about Robinson Crusoe and the life story of Robinson Crusoe. He passed 11 years in the island like a king in his castle. He had a dog, a large family of cats, a parrot, and goat. He had a lot of fruits in his garden. He grew enough grain and made his own bread. My dear student, now I would like to discuss with you the sheet according to this comprehension. Number 1. Here is the match the words of column A with their meaning that are mentioned in column B. Here are two extras. Here is column A and here is column B. Now I will go with the answer of the matching. Answer. A. Voyage, journey by sea. B. Wrecked, destroy so badly that it cannot be used again. Number C. Trial and error, learning to do something by trying different ways and making mistakes. Number D. Longed for, wished strongly for. Number E. Buskins, calf length laced boots worn in olden times. Number F. Clumsy, not well made. Number 2. Write true or false beside the following statements. Number A. Robinson Crusoe had a herd of goats to take care of. True. Number B. Robinson Crusoe knew everything in the beginning. False. Number C. Robinson Crusoe had a lot of flower gardens. False. Number D. Robinson Crusoe longed for human friends. True. Number E. Robinson Crusoe dreamed for going back to America. False. Number F. Robinson Crusoe's skin had been burnt brown by the sun. True. Number 3. Answer the following questions. A. How many years had been passed in the island by Robinson Crusoe? Answer. 11 years had been passed in the island by Robinson Crusoe. Number B. Who had learned to speak well? Answer. The parrot had learned to speak well. Number C. What kind of animals were with Robinson Crusoe? Answer. A dog, a cow, a parrot, some cats and goats were with Robinson Crusoe. Number D. What did Robinson Crusoe learn? Answer. Robinson Crusoe learned how to make butter and cheese. Number E. What was thinking of Robinson Crusoe about his way of life? Answer. Robinson Crusoe's thinking was that he was a king in his castle. Number F. What did Robinson Crusoe carry above his head? Answer. He carried his great clumsy ugly umbrella above his head. Number 4. Suppose you have heard about Robinson Crusoe. Now write a short composition about Robinson Crusoe's days in the island, at least in 5 sentences, by answering the following questions. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation. Number A. Who were with Robinson Crusoe? Number B. How had he learned many things? Number C. How did he make his own bread? The answer is here. Robinson Crusoe. 11 years had gone by. Robinson Crusoe lived on an empty island like a king in his castle. He had a dog, a large family of cats, a parrot and goat. He had a lot of fruits in his garden. He grew enough grain and made his own bread. Okay, my dear students, now you have to practice more and more at your home, and if you feel any trouble, that time you can remember me. No more today. Allah Hafiz.